Got him. Look at that. Little Woodhouse's toad. Always love finding these guys. Pretty slow. They're easy to catch, but hard to find. So as you can see, they're very warty. Something that's different from frogs. Their eyes are really pretty. And so you don't want to eat this guy because see those larger bumps behind his eye? That's what actually stores its venom or poison that'll kill you. Or it might not, it won't kill you, but it'll kill something that's trying to eat it. Look at that. You don't find these every day, that's for sure. I'd say they're hard to find because they blend in so well with the environment around them. See that? Like if you're just sitting there and you're just walking on that trail, you probably wouldn't see them. So let's just get some good shots.
Careful, careful.
Yeah. This one is probably middle-aged. They get a lot bigger than that. I'd say about double the size. Really cool. That was Colorado Reptiles and Amphibians, and that was the Woodhouse's toad.